Get this show on the road. Good morning, folks. Got my bright orange missile hat on. Got my sun shirt on. It's just beautiful, beautiful. What?
Jerk getting hit around the top of the head.
Oh my God! Out here with JT and Bo. This is like it's like a throwback day. This is just like the old winter days, but it's beautiful out here. Haven't fished Dale Hollow in probably 2 to 3 weeks, and been missing it. Every time I fish on a different lake, I really just miss this lake. Something about this lake, I love it. And we're gonna start off fishing this grass flat. I've got a swim bait, micro jig, and drop shot tied on just to start off this day. And we're gonna start slinging some baits and try to catch some fish. JT's throwing a jerk bait. So yeah, let's get to it. You know how much it is to rent a houseboat? Whatever it was. Did you see what it was? It was brown. It's gotta be a carp, dude. Dude. You hear that? That's rain. It's about to start raining. Let's try to outrun it. I ain't trying to freaking get soaked right now. It's literally about to hit us. Look at it, dude. It's right here. That's crazy. About to get. Look at it that way. What do we do? What do we do? There's no avoiding it. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out the best way to. I mean, it's pouring right here, dude.
Yeah.
Small. Tiny. At least it's a fish. Goodness. Heck yeah. Got the skunk at the boat. Look at that. Giant. You want to catch a world record? Come out to Dale Hollow. Right here.
Oh, baby. Where it goes down at. Okay. Oh, yeah, you guys. Dude, I was literally.
Good old snapping turtle. Dang, that's a good smallmouth too. Was a good smallmouth. That's crazy. Snapping turtle. I just saw like movement and I was like, what the heck is that? Dog days of summer. Oh, dude. Heck yeah. Heck yes. Good one. Heck yeah. Oh, it's fine. Heck yeah, dude. It's a good fish. Right in the bottom of the lip. Come here, little buddy. Whoo! Heck yeah. Ate the frickin' micro jig. Well, that's a nice fish. 2, 2.5, 3, I don't know. Gonna go ahead and get a release on this fish here. Oh my golly. He had life in him. We've seen like 3 or 4 dead fish today, so gonna try not to spend too much time unless I catch a giant, I'm not gonna get out my other camera and do any filming. But that fish came on the micro jig, little 1/4 ounce micro jig with a. This is actually a discontinued bait. This is the fuse crawl from Missile. Looks a lot like the drop crawl. It's a little bit bigger, but I'm using this as the trailer. Something just done. Look, dude, something's busting out there. That's something chasing bait. Oh!
I told you.
I can't tell how big it is. I don't think it's big, but.
I knew I got a hit right there.
He ain't big, but I'm pretty sure something was falling right behind him.
Really?
Yeah, and he about ripped the rod out of my hand. Goodness. That was sick. Good Lord, he sucked that little micro jig down. All right, there you go, boy.
I knew I got hit right there. I wasn't crazy.
No, you ain't crazy. That wasn't even a hit though, dude. Like literally, it just went straight to like pulling. Like he was like pulling, dude. Yeah, right?
Oh my God.
Dude, that's a huge one. Get the net. Get the net for sure. I thought I was stuck in that brush pile, dude. That's a giant. Oh my God, dude, that's a
Giant. Oh, look at the other one. Look at the other one.
dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, stick yours down in there, dude. Oh my God. Dude, that's a 5 for sure. That's a 22-inch fish, dude. That thing is giant. Yeah, that one behind it was at least almost as big. I mean, holy moly. Oh gosh. Look at that. I don't know how long this fish is. I don't really feel like getting a measurement on it, but that's probably 4.5. Just a long, super long fish. We're kind of just joking around about tactical bass and talking about the shade line, but literally we fished that hump, we fished the island, and now we're fishing this little bend in the river channel. They're on it. This one was on the micro jig. Woo! Not still strong. Look at this, guys. 1/4 ounce micro football on the micro jig rod. Getting it done, baby. Getting it done. Yeah, there's another one down there, clearly. That was awesome. Yeah. Heck yes.
Oh my gosh.
He spit it, dude. He spit it. Shut up. He spit it. He's right beside these logs, dude.
He was like acting weird.
Yeah, he was.
He's going over it.
It's tiny, whatever it is. What is that? Little rock bass. Yeah, he's huge. He's got a big old stomach.
Dude, have you seen those ones that literally have a camo pattern in the creeks and stuff?
That's him right here.
Yeah.
Rock bass, warmouth. There's one that's it's called a warmouth. There's a warmouth and a rock bass. They're different.
Warmouth makes sense.
Yeah.
my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you see that?
Did you see that, dude? That was like a 4-pounder. That was like a freaking 4-pounder. Holy crap. All right, guys, that is gonna be it for today. Smoking hot. It was super hot out there. It's getting really hard to fish during the day. I've been trying to go in the morning or in the afternoon. I know everybody's catching fish out there at night on Dale Hollow, but I just haven't done it yet. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I've got a lot of stuff to do right now. This is kind of my current situation. I've got tackle, jigs to glue, tackle, trash, rods. So I'm gonna get to work, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Probably gonna do a tackle review. I've been saying gonna do a tackle review for like months now, but anyway, whatever. Catch you guys next time. Peace.